across to the big breaking news from Haryana involving the Congress party as it sees an internal discord just ahead of the elections as Kumari Shelja, the MP from Sirsa, distances herself from the party campaign. This is coming as reports emerged that after actively engaging in election preparations and seeking a ticket, Shelja was reportedly denied a nomination, leading her to withdraw from both the release of the manifesto of the Congress and campaigning efforts of the party. Let me go across to Lalit, my colleague, who's reporting live from the ground on the story. Lalit, a very good morning to you. Now, another case of an internal discord within the Congress party, this one just ahead of the Haryana elections. Kumari Shelja has also been a veteran leader of the party, with her distancing from the Congress campaign and during the release of the manifesto. Do you think it's going to have a negative impact on the voters?
First of all, a very good morning, Kirti. If we talk about the way Kumari Shelja, who is the MP from the Sirsa Lok Sabha seat, have made preparations as after the assembly elections were announced, she was seen quite active doing campaigning for the party. But the way the tickets which were being distributed, majority of the tickets have been given to the Hooda camp. So after that, Kumari Shelja has been quite upset. And if you look about from the past 10 days, she has distanced herself from the party campaigning. One thing more, Kirti, recently when the Congress released its guarantee card in Delhi AICC office, that time also Kumari Shelja was not present. And right now what we are also learning from sources that Kumari Shelja wanted ticket from the assembly, wanted to fight election of the assembly seat, but she was denied ticket. And if we talk about the way Congress in charge Deepak Babaria had a word with the press some days before, that time also he said that the tickets would not be given to the MPs, and after that there were a lot of speculations regarding that. But after that a statement was given by Deepak Babaria that anyone can be the chief minister. So Kumari Shelja this time was eyeing for the chief minister post, but the way Congress have given the tickets, majority of the tickets have been given to the Hooda camp, and majority of the campaigning can be seen done by the former Chief Minister Bhupender Singh Hooda and his son Dipinder Hooda. While if we talk about the Congress president from Haryana, Mr. Uday Bhan, he is also from the Hooda camp. So Kumari Shelja after that is quite upset with the party, and once again the internal fighting of Congress can be seen as Kumari Shelja has distanced herself from the campaigning from the past 10 days. It will have definitely a big impact as Kumari Shelja is a big face in Haryana. She is a Dalit face. So it seems that Dalits can be upset, and the way yesterday former Chief Minister of Haryana, Manohar Lal Khattar, asked Kumari Shelja to join BJP, and he has even offered Kumari Shelja to join BJP. So it seems that in the coming days it would have a big impact. Back to the studio, Kirti.
All right. Well, thanks for joining us and giving us those details this morning. As Haryana is about to face elections, viewers, let's tell you once again that Congress is again roiled in an internal dispute.